Good evening, my friend. You have had a long, busy day. Your mind is full of thoughts, and your body is tired. It is time to rest now. Lay down comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in and let it out. Tonight, we will go on a quiet journey. You do not need to study right now. You do not need to worry about grammar or difficult words. Just listen to the sound of my voice. Let the English language flow around you like a gentle river as you slowly fall asleep. Once in a very crowded and noisy city lived a man named Arthur. Arthur was a clockmaker. He spent every minute of his life building clocks, fixing watches, and listening to the tick-tock of time. Arthur was always in a hurry. He ate his food fast. He walked fast. He even spoke fast. He believed that resting was a waste of time. But Arthur was not happy. He was always exhausted. His eyes were heavy, and his mind was never quiet. One cool autumn morning, Arthur needed a special type of wood to make a beautiful grandfather clock. This wood was only found in the Whispering Forest, a place far away from the noisy city. Arthur packed his bag and traveled to the forest. As soon as he stepped inside, he noticed something strange. There was no noise, no loud cars, no ticking clocks. The only sound was the wind blowing softly through the golden leaves. Arthur kept walking until he found a clear blue lake. He sat down on a large, soft rock near the water. For the first time in his life, he did not look at his watch. He watched a small green frog jump into the water. He watched the white clouds move slowly across the sky. He realized that the world does not stop if you take a break. The trees grow slowly. The river moves at its own speed. Nature is never in a hurry. Yet everything gets done. Arthur closed his eyes, smiled, and took a deep breath of the fresh pine-scented air. He felt a deep peace in his heart. And just like Arthur, it is time for you to stop looking at the clock. The world will wait for you until tomorrow. You have done enough for today. Learning a language is like growing a tree. It happens slowly, quietly over time. Do not rush. Just listen, relax, and let your mind rest. Sleep well, my friend. Have beautiful, peaceful dreams. Good night.